Thank you, sir.
Tell me about yourself.
Okay, so my name is Avika Gamkade, a 17-year-old student in class 12A at PM Shri KV VFJ School. I live in Jabalpur. It is a vibrant city which is known for its rich culture, heritage, and natural beauty. And in my loving family of six, including my sibling, I'm the eldest and I want to become a journalist.
Why did you choose this country and this field?
Actually, it's a big context. From my young age, I found myself captivated by the stories and insights shared on TV news channels. So, as I grew up, this fascination evolved into a deep seated passion. So, I believe in its power to uncover the truth and the hidden lies. Journalism is not just a career for me, but it's a journey to inspire, inform, aware others by my honest reporting, and I want to contribute meaningfully to the society.
Recently, journalism is pressurized by government. So how do you see that and how do you manage
Can you repeat again?
journalism recently is pressurized by government?
Okay, yeah.
So
So for that,
how do you manage that if you face that condition and you will become a journalist?
actually, when I will be posted somewhere, like I want to do the anchoring, and before that, I even want to do the field works that will be given by them, and then I will be able to become the anchor. So, whatever the telepromoter tells me, and all the reporters tell me, and all the reports, I just want to tell them precisely, briefly, and explain all the things what is happening. I want my nature to be like that, that every people able to understand me what I'm saying and able to connect with me and able to connect also with the environment.
You didn't get it. Means suppose that you will be a good journalist, but government and your senior pressurized you so are some good journalist. That time, how do you manage the government? How do you manage the senior? It means that journalism is recently it's not a general word. The actual news we didn't see. What the news government and our senior journalism companies, advertising companies, they
Yeah.
want to show us. So the that you
As we talked about the honesty.
honestly,
But honesty is not there in journalism. Nowadays, they are pressurized with the government. They are running
No,
according to the government.
government.
What news is correct, they do not suit that.
All
but
channels are running by government, under the government.
But some channels are good, they only tell us about the truth, and even the government is also some schemes are there which only provide the relevant information which are authentic and real, like India TV News and Z TV News. They all tell truth, like Sunil Chaudhary, he is one of the anchor in Z TV News. So as they are telling truth, so I can also be like him. Like they are also
Okay, tell me one thing.
challenging.
How can you say that they are telling the authentic and correct news for the people? Because they are living in the 21st century, I think, na? And we are getting all the information by media and social media as well. And in social media, we get the correct news as well by anyone's mobile live. So we have seen many of the times that media is telling us lie. So
Not
when you
every.
will go for that kind of things and you will be the part of that media, so how would you correct the news and how would you rectify the things which is running?
But you can see that every TV news channels are not like that. There are some news channels who only tell us truth, and even after the reporting and all the things happen, they just choose what is correct, and even there are some kind of what we can say correction or editing in which we only have to tell the positive one, or if there is any negative news. So there are also some channels for that too. Like some channels only told us about the thing which is relevant and authentic and only positive. But some news channels are like that, they told us about the negative one also, and it also depends on the TV news channels. They also there are category of different news channels. Some are for you can say for glamour and all, some are for news, international news, some are for national, and some are also for sports news channels. And there are some news channels, they told us about everything which is going on currently. So I think when I will be in that field, so I think I will do the thing which is good. It's not like that I need to tell the lie or something like that.
Who is your idol?
Ideal. Actually, I don't have any one idol. There are so many teachers and elders who are very talented and very good, and they teaches us about everything and their past life. They tell us about their past life, their struggles. So I think I want to be like all of them. Whatever their good qualities are there, I want all of them to be in me.
And what qualities did you prefer the most from your idols?
Like when they teaches us, they are so compassionate, they are so kind, they have so much humanity inside her. They teaches us in such a way that we will able, they teaches us with all their heart, and we will be able to connect with it. Their teaching style and the way they speak, and even the patience they have when they teach us so many students, but they are only one and able to rule everyone in a very perfect manner. So these are all the qualities that I want in myself.
When you see one to one, with your field honestly. But you know one thing that this field is not so easy. It's very challenging. You have to face many of the challenges. So that time because I have seen when you are going with the correct way, when you are going with the good news and you are spreading the news everywhere by your anchoring. So many of the things means you will face many of the challenges that time and you will get the enemies also. And they will try to make you fear and they will try to make you the things should not be happen with you. So in that kind of situation, what will you do?
So currently, I'm preparing myself for mentally, emotionally, and even all of the TV news channels. They told us about their autobiography are also there. So I also like to read the books and all the uh, publicized by them. And I think currently it is my time to prepare myself mentally and physically and emotionally, so that the difficult situations that are lie ahead in my future, so I think then I will be able to do with them,
So
overcome that.
now tell me one more thing. That nowadays you are also watching the news channels. You are watching the news and you are watching the anchors, what kind of role they are playing. So have you seen anything that you want to bring and you will join them and you get the chance to bring any kind of changes? So what kind of changes you want to bring in them and in the news channels?
So the things that I want to change, that they told news so many times again and again the same things which are not even good. Like currently, it's going on the Jaya Bachchan. She is telling that I don't want the surname of my husband. I want my own surname. So I don't want to report this kind of news, that it's not a topic for our nation to cover this kind of news like that. And even some news channels, tell about the things which are not about the what we can say actors and all. They are not very good like for the future of our country, but they tell us in a very that manner that we all want to think that we want to be like them, and all the ads that are covering the tobaccos and all the illegal things. So it's bad, like actors are promoting it, even they didn't do it, and their childs are very perfect, they don't do all these kind of things. They maybe do, but their parents don't say them to do all like to use that things, but they are promoting that, so I don't want to be like that. So in my news channels these kinds of ads will be published.
Okay.
Can I have your Anand, tell us the essential point about yourself.
Sorry, sir.
The essential thing we should know about yourself. Tell us that.
My essential thing, sir, I'm a quick learner, and that's it. I think.
You are a very quick learner. Okay. What are you doing in your studies?
I'm doing now only study commerce subject.
You have 10th passed
So yes, sir.
and your subject is commerce.
Yes, sir.
Why did you choose commerce?
Sir, because I'm interested in that subject.
Yes, in that subject. Okay. What is your goal?
I want to join civil services.
Civil services. Why didn't you take BA?
Sir, I don't think so.
Sorry, arts.
It's important to take arts for civil services.
It is not important, but you could get help by that.
Yes.
What are you doing for that civil services?
Sir, after 12th, I will take BA.
BA.
Yes, sir.
And any coaching?
No, sir.
What?
Sir, I will see.
You will see.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I
Tell me one thing. How much percent did you get in 10th class?
I 90.4. Sorry, 6.
90.6%. You haven't got this percentage. What was this? What did your parents say to you?
Sir, I am not satisfied with my marks. First of all, that day I cried so much. My parents didn't say anything. They are only busy to stop.
So
Um,
they did not say to you to get another subject, you choose your commerce.
no, sir. They say your choice.
This is yours.
Yes,
So what was the inspiration behind your 90%?
sir. My parents. My parents
motivated
explain. Yes, sir.
Or anyone else
No, sir.
supported you and motivated you apart from your parents?
Sir, Gulzar, sir.
Gulzar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell us something about Gulzar and what kind of words he has said to you to motivate you.
Sir, my maths is very weak. I thought that I fail in that subject. Then I joined the coaching of Gulzar sir. He motivates me. He tells me that you will do. So that
What is your favorite subject?
business.
Business. So you take some news from business. Are you taking newspaper from business section?
No, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Tell me about yourself.
I am Nancy Vishwakarma. I am just 20. I am from Amkhera, Jabalpur. I have done second year. I am in BTech. Third year from Shri Ram Institute of Technology. I am doing study now. I want to become engineer.
What about your future goal?
My future goal is a private job.
Private now. Your future goal. In which field you want?
My future goal is a good placement in companies. Company, semiconductors companies.
Semiconductor. Tell me about the company name of the semiconductor.
I don't know because my college is no semiconductor companies. Only TCS and other companies are come.
You will
Are you preparing for these companies?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I am preparing for coding and technical rounds, LR rounds.
You mentioned that you know HTML5, HTML, and CSS.
Yes,
Tell me something about HTML, CSS. Why we use
ma'am, HTML is a hypertext language. This is used for heading and main content and link.
and why we use CSS?
CSS. CSS is a color coding, means background color and heading color.
What is the form of CSS?
I don't know.
Have you done any project in these technologies like HTML, CSS, Java, C++?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, seventh semester I made project in this major and minor project.
this category.
Electronics and communications.
In electronics, what you make in that project?
Electronics make to frequency ranges in communication.
You can
Yes, sir.
tell me about the ranges from frequency, or especially for our users. Hearing frequency.
Sir, hearing frequency is 3 to 5 hertz.
55.
Sir, not confirm.
What's the extension of HTML and CSS? Extension of CSS file?
I don't, I don't remember. I don't remember in this time.
What special skills do you want to achieve in your life?
Special skills in Java.
Java. You learn the Java.
Yes.
Wow.
Java.
What is Java?
Ma'am, I don't know, but Java is used in various companies and high salaries expectations in Java.
You mentioned in your resume that you know
No, ma'am, I know Java. I know only Python, HTML, CSS, C++, C.
What is the main uses of C++ and Java and all?
HTML, CSS is only for web development and JavaScript, and C++ is a programming language.
HTML used for front end or back end?
HTML is used for front end and CSS used for back end.
CSS used for back end.
No, ma'am. HTML, CSS and JavaScript used for front end.
Tell me any back end language.
Ma'am, back end language is like C++.
And especially in the business related work, when I take 9 class, it's a silly reason because in 8 9 classes I'm saying business related series. So we are finding a lot of interesting business related work. So I want to be an entrepreneur. So I'm working on it.
I've seen like the series, web series, web series. And you see the series, you have thought that you have to go for this kind of thing. And you know the one thing that real life and real life both are different. Real life and real life both are different. Real life and real life. Web series is a real life. We are living in real life. Both are the different things. See the web series getting motivated and the subject.
What kind of cities do you prefer the most? Said business related. That generally the name about one city. What kind of Why did you choose this location? CA. You will be inspired. Okay, you will be inspired. Yeah, inspired. What is your favorite subject in class? What is your favorite subject in class? Accounts. To know about cash flow statement, what's the basic rules of CA and level? It was not completed yet. You know about the financial ratio. What are debtor and creditors? What are the basic difference in asset and liabilities? Basic. What's the main difference? Basic means main difference. What are the basic rules to become an excellent teacher? Successful teacher? And what is exam
The correction generally is in entrance exam. Competitive exam.
JEE. JEE is